Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and we're talking about the browser I've been using for a couple of years now, Vivaldi, and I've used it long enough to know it's a keeper, and I want you to take a look at it, okay? The reasons for using Vivaldi I've got spelled out in the Google document that's attached to this episode at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, and it answers the questions about why should you use Vivaldi, what are the key features, and on it goes. And it's going to give you a good look at using this browser. You don't have to be a power user to have Vivaldi, but it's going to make you feel like you are one when you see all the features that it's got. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.